Replacing your home's windows may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you're thinking about increasing your property value, but in Frederick, Maryland, it can be one of the smartest investments you make. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to improve it for your own comfort, new windows can have a big impact, both in how your home looks and how much it's worth. Curb appeal that stands out. First impressions matter. The outside of your home is the first thing people notice, and old, worn-out windows can drag down the look of your entire property. New windows instantly freshen up the exterior. Whether you go for a classic style to match Frederick's historic charm or a more modern design, replacement windows add a polished, updated look that buyers love. A neat, attractive appearance can make your home stand out in a competitive market. Improved energy efficiency. Winters in Frederick can be chilly, and summers bring the heat. Drafty windows mean your HVAC system has to work harder, which leads to higher utility bills. New, energy-efficient windows help regulate your indoor temperature more effectively. That means lower heating and cooling costs, and that's something potential buyers are definitely interested in. Buyers today are paying closer attention to energy ratings. Energy Star rated windows, for example, are a big plus. They show that your home is not only comfortable year-round but also more affordable to maintain. That can be a major selling point and may even increase the price buyers are willing to pay. Increased home value and ROI. Window replacement offers one of the best returns on investment for home improvement projects. In the Frederick area, homeowners often see a significant portion of the cost recoup when it's time to sell. While the exact ROI can vary, it's not uncommon to recover up to 70% or more of the cost in added home value. And if your home is older, the increase in value can be even more noticeable, as new windows solve issues like poor insulation and outdated aesthetics in one step. Enhanced comfort and functionality. Beyond the numbers, new windows simply make your home more comfortable. They reduce outdoor noise, improve airflow, and let in more natural light. If you've ever struggled with a window that sticks, leaks, or won't stay open, you know how frustrating that can be. New windows work smoothly and are easier to clean, which adds to the everyday enjoyment of your home. This improved comfort matters to buyers too. People want a move-in ready home that doesn't need a list of repairs. If they see updated windows, it's one less thing they'll need to worry about, and that confidence can help close a sale faster. Better safety and security. Old windows with loose locks or rotting frames can be a safety risk. New windows come with updated security features, like reinforced locks and stronger glass. This is especially important for families or older homeowners looking for peace of mind. Buyers notice these upgrades, and it adds another layer of value to your home. Local market advantage. In a market like Frederick, where charm, history, and comfort are all highly valued, window replacement gives your home a competitive edge. Many buyers in the area are looking for a mix of traditional style and modern efficiency. Upgraded windows can help you meet that demand while boosting your home's overall appeal. Conclusion: window replacement might not be the flashiest upgrade, but it's one of the most practical and valuable improvements you can make to your Frederick home. From saving on energy bills to making a great first impression, new windows check all the boxes for homeowners and buyers alike. If you're thinking about ways to add value, improve comfort, and prepare your home for the market, new windows are a clear step in the right direction.